In cases of alteration, we would like to discuss such alteration in the original or existing contract may be regarding time, price, quantity, place, or quality. Show an illustration regarding that A agrees to B to sell 3000 meters of clothes at Rs 10 per meter, and that also within 3 months. But subsequently, by mutual agreement, they alter the original or existing contract that he would supply 1000 meters at rupees 20, and that also within 4 months. So, regarding time, A agrees to deliver the goods to be at 11 a.m. Then, by mutual consent, they alter the timing to 6 p.m., the delivery of the goods. And regarding price, A sells agrees to sell rice to B at 50 rupees. Then, by mutual consent, the very price of the rice raised to 60 rupees. And this is regarding alteration of price. And regarding alteration of quantity, A agrees to supply the rice of 50 kgs. Then, by mutual consent, they alter the existing or original contract, and now A would supply 100 kg of rice to B. And subsequently, the alteration regarding place. And in the existing contract, A has to supply those rice at Mumbai. But subsequently, by mutual consent, they alter the existing or original contract, and now A would supply the rice at Nasik. So, this is regarding alteration in case of flesh. And last one, alteration regarding quality. So, A has to supply B the Korean rice as per the existing or original contract, but subsequently both the parties, they by mutual consent altered the original and existing contract. Then it was agreed that A would, instead of supplying Korean rice, would supply Australian rice. So this is all about alteration of an original or existing contract.